Welcome back! I'm Beth Jones, welcome to the B Jones Style channel, and I'm so excited today because you guys know, I love to go into a thrift store, a vintage shop, but one of my other absolute favorite places in the world is Crossroads Trading, because this is where I find all my designer finds or more brand name things that are super on trend. And so today I'm so excited to bring you along on my shopping at Crossroads. I know it looks a little gray and gross today, but summer is coming, and so I wanted to do kind of a little bit of my shopping for summer, building my summer wardrobe, things that I'm looking for summer. Gonna do that here. And another thing that makes me super excited about Crossroads is all the designer finds. So today, I actually recently was just on their regional feed for their Crossroads SoCal, and I saw these Rag & Bone sneakers that I'm kind of dying to have. I have Rag & Bone loafers on right now that I love, and I saw these really cute Rag & Bone sneakers, so I'm gonna see if they're still in the store, look at all the other designer finds, and then also look for a few summer staples. So here we go. Guys, we're inside the Crossroads in Huntington Beach, and I mentioned this before, but I always check out the regional feed. So I checked out the Crossroads SoCal feed, and there are these Rag & Bone sneakers that I do see on the shelf over there, so I think I'm gonna try those on. So I always like to kind of get an idea when I walk into Crossroads of what am I looking for, because I could spend all day here. There's so much. And so I kind of like to have a little bit of a plan, like the sections I want to go to first, the types of pieces that I'm looking for summer. And so right now I feel like I am looking for a really good high-waist denim skirt. I've been talking about it, great dresses to kind of wear in the summer with sneakers, sandals, just the everyday dress, even layering the dress over the pants look. I'm always looking for great suits. Shoes, spring shoes with fun colors. Yeah, I think, and I'm really into pastels still, and so any pastel pieces always make me really happy. But I think before any of this, I have to try on those sneakers, so let's go look. First thing I do when I come to Crossroads is I always look at their designer displayed items. So they always have pieces behind the counter, which is where my sneakers are. Then all along the edge of the store, they also have designer finds and they label them. So I first scout those, and I will tell you how I learned this lesson. Maybe 8-9 years ago when I first discovered Crossroads, I was just the girl who came in and I shopped. And then one day I went in and this other girl came in and she just told the lady behind the counter, she said, I want that, and that off of the ceiling or whatever, these designer finds. And all of a sudden I realized she was getting all these amazing designer finds that I, for some reason, didn't realize were there. So ever since then, I've done that first. Like, I spot the items that I want and I want to make sure I get them. Okay, so these are actually not even worn before, so I don't know what that means, but so far they fit. It's a matter of, do I like them? All right, I gotta go see what they look like. They look like tennis shoes with a platform. I feel like I might just actually switch my shoes. I am wearing really great Rag & Bone loafers, but these are really fun. And they have like a cool 70s like sneaker vibe to them, I feel like. Well, I guess it is a tennis shoe, but I feel like I'm saying like a tennis shoe. You know what I mean by that? Go and look all up there to see if there's any other amazing designer finds. This is also a tip. I think sometimes you see a designer name and then you think you have to have it, but I always like to actually not look at the designer name first. I like to look at the item and decide, do I like that item? Then I look at the designer name and then I'm like, okay, yes, that seals the deal. But I don't want to just choose something because it's designer. I want to make sure it's still very much me and what I like. I'm gonna go and get those few things off of the ceiling, or what are they? What is this? Can I get, and then actually those 3 pieces in a row. Free People, the Isabel Marant tank, and then the white blouse. All right, another area that I always check is they have staff picks. which could be designer or could just be super on trend, really great pieces. So I like to check out that. And then here at the store, they have a whole section that's just Free People, which I really love because I love Free People, but I really don't want to spend the amount of money at Free People. And so I love that they have a whole section of just Free People clothes. And then they have seasonal items as well. A lot of the stores do different things. Like sometimes they have a certain trend, or they have a certain designer, or again, like the staff picks. So I always like to check those sections. Plaid is not just for fall. It's for spring and summer. Okay, I kind of like this Black Swan, but it's just like a really great tank, but it's what, mohair? Is this mohair? I don't know, but it's like an essential piece, but it's also very statement at the same time, and I love the gray. This would be awesome for summer. I found some ridiculously wide leg flare jeans, which I've been talking about, I've been wanting. And that's the great thing with Crossroads, is that it's all on trend. So they knew what I wanted when I walked in here. They knew it, and I found it. Just hope they fit. Okay, so I went through all the sections that are kind of like the pre-selected items. I'm gonna go put those back on the try-on rack, and then I'm gonna start just kind of perusing the store, again, looking for colors right now. I feel like I'm really into color, and so I'm just gonna kind of use colors to guide me. Found this blue Rachel Roy tank, which I love. And again, I feel like one thing I always find at Crossroads are kind of the great statement essentials that make the outfit pop. And to me, this is one of those pieces. Found this top, which I really love. This is Robert Rodriguez, which is an amazing designer as well. And I love this color green and all the ruffles. I feel like this could be so fun for summer, and I just love the femininity of the romanticism of it. High waist, paper bag waist. Love that. White for summer. So cute. Cropped pants. Everything I love. Valano. Germany. German. I'm probably not saying that right. Love me a pair of camel high waist trousers. They're mango, which I love. And I love this color. I don't know if they're gonna fit, but I'm gonna try them. How cute would all of this be together? The green with the blue with the white. I love all that. I like the button. It's kind of fun. Ray Gousseau. The next thing I'm going to check out is their denim. I always check out denim at Crossroads, because why buy full price for designer denim when you don't have to? You can just come to Crossroads. I think these are old Wranglers. What is this? Paul Smith. I don't know, it's kind of so crazy, it's fun. Let's try it, why not?
It's like a library in here.
What is that? Marc Jacobs, wow. All right, I always like to check out their maxi dress section. I don't know why, I just do. So I'm gonna check them out. And now this is the jumpsuit section. I got a little distracted by the jumpsuits. Everyone loves a jumpsuit. Right, it's time to try on. I have a lot to try on. I'm very excited to see how all these pieces work. Super cute rag and bone top. The pants are a little too big, or too small. They're too small. But they do have that wide leg that I was looking for, but they're not gonna work. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm about to become Cher from Clueless right now. I've got the mohair sweater and the little mini plaid skirt. People have said I look like Alicia Silverstone now, so I'll take it. Rolling with my homies. If you watched Clueless, you know what I'm talking about? Then
You kind of look Christmassy.
I do with the skirt on. It's tree, like the summer Christmassy look. Like if I lived in Florida, this would be my summer, or this would be my Christmas outfit. Let me just change the bottom. this is supposed to be like super drapey like this on the back. Down here.
What's going on here, Beth?
I don't know what's happening. There's a really long crotch situation. Yeah, no. Oh yeah. I just need a belt to make a paper bag. I mean, I don't know if I want to get this, but it's fun.
Come on! Yeah! Here we go! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, 4! Come on! Let's go!
I feel like I need to get these sunglasses. I feel like I need them in my life now. Come on with this belt bag. Are you serious? And I am ready to go.
So good. Those shoes work with everything.
I know. They go with everything. They're so good. It comes down to what first, for sure, no matter what, am I getting? I think this top is on the for sure. These pants are for sure. I don't know. All the thoughts are brewing. Got so many good things. Stay to the end to watch my haul. I know you guys always like to hear that, so stay for the end of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun bringing you into one of my favorite places to shop, which is Crossroads Trading. I found so many fun designer finds and then just summer finds. Hopefully you got a little bit of summer inspiration from some of the looks that I created. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and always say Joseph, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! All right, making you guys happy again with a haul and thought process of why I got what I got. Okay, this Robert Rodriguez top is amazing. The color is so much fun. I love the ruffles. It's a yes. Essential statement piece, bold color, yes. Cannot pass up a pair of high-waist trousers, especially in this rusty brown color, yes. So romantic and fun, girly, yes. Share from Clueless, yes. Paper bag waist, white, summer essential, yes. And these mango pants, I feel like they're a little bit of a different cut than I usually wear. They're not high-waisted, but that's why I'm getting them, is I feel like they're different and it'll help me mix it up more. And the color is so good. And then the best belt bag ever. And I think this is just so cute. Handle bag, more of them, always. Here we go.